Hi guys! Welcome to Plant Care Tips channel. In this video, I will share with you the tips of cacti care. Cacti are popular houseplants and can be relatively easy to care for as long as you understand their specific needs. Here's some detailed information on cactus care. If you want healthy, fast-growing cacti, you should provide them with a sunny windowsill or a sunlit balcony. During the winter months, most cacti go dormant. Therefore, it is crucial for their development to be in a well-lit, sunlit environment during spring and summer. If your cacti are growing irregularly, thinly, and without a defined shape, they are not receiving enough light. You will need to change their location. Cacti are plants that are native to dry regions and store water inside them. Therefore, they are highly resistant to prolonged droughts. Cacti and all succulents love warmth. They continue to grow up to 40 degrees Celsius during the summer, but growth stops at higher temperatures. They are also resistant to cold in winter, provided they are not watered and the temperature does not drop below -10 degrees Celsius. Occasionally, they need a little bit of water. In terms of watering, there are two fundamental mistakes. One is forgetting to water cacti and succulents under the assumption that they don't like water, and the other is overwatering them to demonstrate our love for them, causing root rot and harming the plant. If you're unsure whether to water your cactus, don't water it. Water the soil only when both the visible and internal parts are dry. When you water, the weather should be warm and sunny, and you should water generously. Cactus species are not used to humid air and lack of air circulation in their natural environment. The ideal place to grow cacti in the spring, summer, and fall months is on a balcony. If you're growing cacti indoors, you need to ventilate the room frequently throughout the day. You should also pay close attention to the selection of soil when caring for cacti. You can choose ready-made cactus soil or create your own mix. If you're using ready-made soil, be careful not to use only garden soil, peat soil, or cocoa peat. The most important tip for cactus soil is to obtain a well-aerated and water-draining soil, similar to their natural habitat. Cacti and succulents have shallow roots and do not have a deep and dense root structure due to their living environment. Therefore, when preparing our soil mix, we should use plenty of sand and similar granular materials based on their natural habitat. You can make your soil more aerated by adding pumice stone and river sand to the peat soil and coconut fiber mix. Now, let's talk about cactus flowering. With the exception of some species of cacti, most of them can flower. Under normal circumstances, a healthy, mature cactus blooms once a year. The conditions for bud formation and flowering time vary from species to species of desert cacti. But generally, they bloom when they are kept in sunny areas during the summer and when they feel too cold in winter. I want to remind you one last time that cacti lose their health not from dehydration, but generally from excessive watering. Cacti are more durable, require less maintenance, fit best in urban life, and are wonderful plants with both their forms and magnificent flowers than many plants you have grown so far. Especially when you start learning their names and collecting them, they will be plants that you will enjoy growing. See you in the next video.